The two House lawmakers from the Quezon City and Caloocan invited to today's ICI inquiry insist there is no smoking gun or solid evidence to prove their culpability in receiving kickbacks from flood control projects in their districts. But the request for executive sessions during today's hearing raise even more questions despite their emotional pleas. Our Harley Valbuena has more.
Quezon City 1st District Representative Arjo Atayde was the first to arrive earlier today at the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI. In a media interview before attending the ICI hearing, Atayde turned emotional, insisting he will not evade the investigation on anomalous flood control projects.
Wala po kami tinatago, hindi ako magtatago, hindi ako iiwas, hindi ako lilipad ng ibang bansa. I am here to thoroughly go through the investigation to fight for my innocence po and
Atayde also strongly denies allegation that his father, Art Atayde, was receiving kickbacks on flood control scheme in his behalf. The lawmaker dared the accusers to show evidence first.
Again, it's all hearsay po, sir. Kasi until now, as I said, baka mas mabuti po, bago po magturo, bigay po muna sa akin yung ebidensya laban sa akin. Because up to this point, September 8, they haven't even given out anything against me or my father.
Atayde's hearing was not live-streamed as he chose to testify via executive session. Caloocan City 3rd District Representative Din Asistio also appeared before the ICI. The lawmaker said he volunteered to face the ICI to clear his name. Asistio also chose the executive session, so his hearing was also not live-streamed.
Para po mas maprotektahan dahil baka magkaroon po ng national pag-CCD. At saka meron po tayong mga sensitibong masabi sa ICI.
The ICI explained they found legal and factual basis to grant the request for executive session of the two lawmakers, but no further and specific reasons were provided. Atayde and Asistio were named by contractor couple Sara and Curly Discaya as among those allegedly getting kickbacks on flood control projects. Asistio admitted he once met Curly Discaya during an awarding ceremony in Camp Aguinaldo last year.
Nag-meet po kami, once lang tapos parang kilala lang po. Yun lang po.
Atayde and Asistio both expressed readiness to return to the ICI should they be needed again on the probe. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.